The concept of transforming and moving products from supply to consumer has been around for many centuries. There are many changes from previous centuries to the 20th century, of course. We now have a much better understanding of supply chain management. Our challenge now is to meet today's instant gratification generation's requirements. There are major developments in the digital world, to name a few.
Knowing the history of the supply chain is interesting and informative. Understanding what changes have been made over the decades and knowing what the future holds will help a company build an effective supply chain of their own. Firstly, a company needs to understand their own supply chain maturity because once they know which stage they're at, they can work on improvements. So, there are 4 stages of maturity. Stage 1, multiple dysfunction. Simply put, there is limited functionality in this environment. People protect their information and they don't share. There is often duplication of work, which wastes time.
Stage 2, a semi-functional enterprise. Here companies are creating a little more structure. However, there is still many manual processes and communication is still somewhat limited.
Stage 3, integrated enterprise. These companies have moved from manual systems to integrated processes. New products are introduced, the company has a handle on their inventory and understands their customers' demands. The integration is good, but it is limited to their internal supply chain processes.
Stage 4 is the extended enterprise. Here, technology is used to build collaborative relationships with supply chain partners. Information is shared and waste is reduced. There are many challenges facing supply chains. However, these can be dealt with as long as companies are willing to implement effective supply chains through focus on their people and systems. Thus, staying ahead of competitors and meeting customers' demands.